Hello, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jenilyn C. Pablo. I live in Area 17, UP Campus, Diliman, Quezon City. I am 34 years old. I have a one kid.
Are you single or married?
I am a single mother.
Do you have brothers and sisters?
I have two brothers and two sisters, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
Yes, ma'am, I have one kid.
How old are your child?
She is 10 years old.
Who will take care of your child when you go to Hong Kong?
My parents.
Okay. Are you a high school or college graduate?
I am a college graduate, ma'am.
Do you have any experience in working abroad?
No, ma'am.
How about in the Philippines? Do you have any experience as a helper?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
For almost 2 years, ma'am.
Who is your employer?
Miss Gina Foronda, ma'am.
What are your main duties with them?
I cook, I I clean and washing the clothes.
Okay. Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Like?
Like chop suey, um, stir fry and steam fish, ma'am.
Okay, by the way, why did you choose to Hong Kong, to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the high salary and I want to help my family and my child, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing to learn more?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you teach to your employer's children?
I teach them a good manners and I teach them also to the nursery song.
Can you give an example of nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, N, V, W, X, Y, and J.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Um, um, understanding and understanding, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I am obedient, patient, and hardworking, ma'am.
Can you give a short message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am and sir. Good day. Uh, if you, I am willing to be your. If you give me a chance to be your helper, I'm doing my best, and I will take care of your child. I am also a hardworking, and I also obey your instruction. I follow and obey your instruction, and I will also clean your house even if without your supervision, ma'am and sir.
Can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I promise to finish my contract with you, and
Okay, thank you.
see you. Good day. See you in Hong Kong, ma'am.